In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset two-step login for an employee in BambooHR. If an employee is locked out because their authenticator app changed, their phone was replaced, or their codes aren't working, resetting two-step login, also called two-factor authentication or 2FA, gets them back in securely. This process doesn't change their password or permissions. It simply clears their current two-step setup so they can enroll again on their next sign-in. Start by opening your company's BambooHR account in a web browser and signing in with an administrator level login. You'll need the right permissions to access account-wide login settings. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon, which opens the account settings area. If you don't see the gear, you likely don't have the required access and may need to request it from your BambooHR admin. Inside the settings panel, choose Login Settings. This is where BambooHR centralizes password options and multi-factor controls for your organization. Take a moment here to confirm you're in the correct environment and that you understand this action only resets the employee's two-step configuration. It won't disable security for the entire account. Within Login Settings, find the section labeled Two-Step Login. Open the drop-down control for this section to reveal the available actions. You'll see an option to reset an employee's two-step login. Select Reset Employee's Two-Step Login and follow the on-screen prompt to complete the reset. BambooHR will clear the employee's existing two-step setup, which means their next sign-in will guide them through setting up two-step login again from scratch. A few best practices can make this go smoothly. Let the employee know you're resetting their two-step login so they're ready to enroll again right away. Remind them they'll need access to their chosen verification method during setup, such as an authenticator app or text-capable phone, depending on your company's policy. Encourage them to store backup codes securely if your organization uses them, and to keep their device time-set automatically, which helps prevent code mismatches. After the reset, ask the employee to sign out and sign back in to trigger the setup flow. If they still have trouble, confirm they're using the most recent authenticator entries and not an old device. Since the reset doesn't affect passwords, they should use their existing password unless your policy instructs otherwise. That's it. You've successfully reset two-step login in BambooHR, restoring secure access while keeping your organization's account protection in place. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher.